Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I didn't post any video, so today I'm gonna show you a video about how to maintain the RCs and to clean it and make sure everything is working properly after even 1 month in the restroom. So we want to take all this out to make sure have more access to the parts. As you can see, it's really messy. So you want to clean all the parts here, take all the dirt and make sure it's not any water damage to the electric parts. So make sure you remove the battery and put it to the charge. Try to clean the receiver, everything. Make sure there's no water damage to the engine and clean here. And you want probably to take out the wheels as well for the cleaning. As you can see, it's already rusty and loose a little bit, so you want to screw that up a little bit and put some grease to the metal parts. Make sure you have oil in the suspension. See, this one is working good, but as you can see, it's a lot of mess here around. So you want to take this out. I'll show you. See? It's getting everywhere. So take them all out and clean them nice. By the way, don't lose them. You can see it's a little bit loose, so you want to check this. If you have model like this, from the back, if you have tire like this, just have a look at this. Even after 1 month, the water is still in the tire, so you want to take them out and clean them. This one is not so bad. This one has water. So it's not just run, play with it, and then put it back. You have to maintain them a little bit because it will get damaged. See, has water inside, so you have to clean it. See, because it's quite hard now, so it's a lot of dirt here, sand. So you want to fix this as well, want to clean it. I put this because to not get in water in the engine, in the motor. This one's grease here. I don't know if has water inside here. I might check this one as well, because it's all metal parts, might get rusty with the time. So as you can see, it's very dirty. You want to check here as well. Look, dirty. It's not even working properly. I'm very surprised because after 1 month they didn't even lose any oil or something. They're very good. Tamiya did a good job with this. So I think that was it for this video. So you want to check, clean and degrease everything, all the metal parts, put some oil, check the suspension if they need it, all the metal parts, clean them, put some oil, grease what you have, and that should be it. Thank you so much for this video. I'll see you soon next time.